So let's be real, I'm pretty sure you clicked on today's YouTube video because you're struggling to get sales with your Shopify dropshipping business. But I get it though, because you're probably thinking to yourself, well, I've tried absolutely everything that I possibly can and I still can't seem to find any success. What am I doing wrong? And that's why today's video is going to be extremely valuable. So I highly recommend that you stay to the end so that way you don't miss any of it. And I can guarantee you, if you don't follow the things that I'm about to talk about in today's video, you will continue to struggle with your dropshipping business. Because I'm actually going to be going over real techniques that you can implement today in your Shopify dropshipping business, so that way you can start seeing some more success. So if you're excited, be sure to go ahead and drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content. And if you're somebody out there that's looking for a like-minded community full of other individuals on their dropshipping journey and you want somewhere where you can just learn for free and network with others, feel free to go down to the description and sign up for my free dropshipping Discord server. So let's not waste up any more of your time. Let's get right into it. All right, so let's get right into it. So let me know if this sounds like you. When you decide to choose a product that you want to test for your dropshipping business, you most likely come over to AliExpress, you type in something like toys, beauty, whatever the case may be, and you just choose one of these products and you roll with it. But again, the reason why people choose these types of products is because they feel like they would purchase them in the store, or it's something that they like, and that's the wrong way to go about it, okay? Because these products here, they don't solve a problem, they don't solve an insecurity, they don't have a wow factor, so there's literally no proof that these products can actually sell. I mean, again, some of these have no reviews, some of them have no units sold. This is not what you're looking for. Social proof is a literal cheat code when it comes to dropshipping, because if you know exactly what you're looking for, your potential customers will tell you exactly what they want, and you won't have to leave it up for guess. So what do I mean by that? So let me give you an example. So I'm on my burner right now and I can find winning products literally within a few minutes, right? So this is the first video that popped up for me. And what I mean by social proof is right through the actual measurements or the analytics of each and every single video. So this video right here, I'm gonna play it. It's just a blender, but it has 80,000 likes, 766 comments, 10.3K saves, and then 2,000 shares. Now, what you're gonna be looking for is you're gonna wanna go over to the comment section, and literally customers or your potential customers are going to tell you exactly what they want, okay? And this is the example of a winning product. So as we keep scrolling through the comments, we will see, I need this one. Okay, I actually need this. I need one. I think this is definitely worth it. Whoa, where can I buy this? I mean, you get the point, okay? And that's exactly what you're looking for when it comes to a winning product. You want to be able to see in the comment section other people asking where to buy the product or more about the product. So that would definitely be a product that I would possibly test. Okay, so let's scroll for a few seconds and see what else we can find. Here's another dropshipping product right here. This is literally just a portable air conditioner. So as you can see, it has 21,000 likes, 399 comments, so on and so forth. But if I come over to the comment section, let's see what people are saying. So literally the first comment, where can I get it? Second comment, price. I really need it. So again, here's another product that now shows viral potential. There's actually social proof behind it. People are actually saying that they want the product. So now you just need to give it to them. So now that you chose your product because you found it on TikTok, it has viral potential, it has a bunch of social proof. If you want to go ahead and validate that product even more and take it to the next level, you can use a tool called Google Trends. Now, if you've never used this before, Google Trends allows you to be able to explore what the world is searching for right now. Okay, so you'll be able to see if your product is actually something that people want and are actively searching for. So let's just say you found a baby product, right? So what you're going to want to do is type in the keyword baby or whatever keyword you want to type in, click explore, and it's going to bring up this screen right here. But what you're going to want to do first before you analyze any of the data is click on the past day and then go to the past 5 years. Now, the reason why you want to do this is because you want to be able to have enough data to be able to really make a decision. So 5 years gives you a lot more data to look at. So this is actually a great example and exactly what you're looking for. This is straight consistency over the past 5 years, year round. So this is exactly what they call an evergreen niche. An evergreen niche is something that you can sell products in year round with no fail. Really quickly, I want to talk about our great sponsor of today's video, which is AutoDS. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that I just literally can't live without because they are the supplier of some of my dropshipping businesses, and it allows me to get faster shipping times than AliExpress. Like some of these products are shipping within 3 business days. 4 business days, and I believe some of them are even getting 1 to 2 business days, which is insane. AutoDS has a ton of features for you to be able to find winning dropshipping products fairly easily. They have a trending product section, which allows you to be able to see all the trending products on social media. But they also have this TikTok Spy, which is an ad spy tool for TikTok. It allows you to see all the top advertisements on the platform. So let's just say I wanted to sell this product right here. This is a split end hair trimmer. I found this product in just a few seconds. So if I wanted to check out more information about it, I click on shop now. It'll show me all the analytics for the specific post. So that way I can check its viral potential. I can also check out the original post here by clicking this button. I can also go to shop now and I can see the full competitor's website. A few other underrated things that I absolutely love about AutoDS is that they have great customer service, great English speaking customer service, which is hard to find in a supplier. But not only that, but they also have automatic order fulfillment. So when an order comes in on my Shopify dropshipping store, they will automatically fulfill that order for me. And then they will also send the tracking information to my customers. And this allows me to be able to have a more streamlined dropshipping business. So if you want to check out AutoDS for yourself, they're actually hooking it up for my supporters and giving you guys an extended free trial of 30 days. So that way you can try it on your dropshipping business completely risk-free. So if you want to check that out for yourself, I'll be sure to leave it at the top link in the description. Check it out and let me know what you think. Now, the final thing that I do to be able to validate a product in its entirety, so that way you have more confidence when you're testing products, is using a sales tracker. So the sales tracker I use is a company called PPSPY. I actually do have an affiliate with them. You can go down to the description. I'm not sure if you get a discount, but again, you can check it out. So this right here allows you to be able to track the sales of a Shopify store. So if you come over to sales tracking, you can literally type in the URL of the Shopify store and then track it. And then within like a few hours, you'll be able to know exactly how much that store is making. I know this sounds obvious, but the reason why you would want to do this is because if you found a product and you found a competitor that's selling that product, if they're making sales with your product, then why can't you come into the market and sell it as well? So that's the whole thought process behind that. So I didn't really track any specific ones. So I'll show you some that I've tracked before in the past. So this company right here is called Shaper Love. I put them into this software to find out if this product was selling at one point. It's literally in the insecure male niche, which is actually massive. Okay, so this is just a tank that makes you look slimmer. Okay, it's really tight. They also have shirts that go with this as well. So I wanted to know if this product was selling, and in fact it was. So if you check out their sales report, this is exactly what it would look like. It'll tell you what their monthly visits are, so on and so forth. But we have this set up for the past 2 weeks. So they've sold 1.4K units and they've done over $35,000 in just 2 weeks. This is exactly what I'm looking for when it comes to finding a potential winning product, because not only is there demand, but based off the competitor's website, there's room for me to be able to come into the market and improve on it. If you're looking to skyrocket your e-commerce sales in 2024, look no further than OmniSend, because OmniSend is a platform that simplifies the SMS and email marketing process. Starting April 23rd, product reviews will have a brand new home inside of the OmniSend platform, making it easier than ever to be able to collect and highlight customer feedback, so that way you can boost the trust of your brand as well as collect more revenue. So if you're a Shopify owner out there that's looking to get everything underneath one roof, then I highly recommend that you check out OmniSend. You'll be able to get reviews, emails, SMS, push notifications, and so much more. Definitely check them out. I'll be sure to leave a link at the top of the description. Now, there's plenty of reasons why you're not getting any traffic to your store. Now, if you think you chose a great product, it could be your ads and it also could be your website. Now, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I just found these 2 companies literally looking through PP ads, looking for some new products, and I found this company right here, and I can guarantee you that majority of your guys' stores probably look like this, okay? And there is a few things that are definitely wrong with this. Well, one, this isn't a PNG. This is literally a white background on this logo, so it doesn't look clean. Font colors just don't go well. I wouldn't have this buy with shop pay button. Also, just the copy here is not formatted correctly. The GIF is just super pixelated. I mean, I can go on and on. Not only that, there's also a lack of reviews as well. I don't really like this review app too much because you can't really see the actual images without clicking into them. Now, here's another example, and I'm just showing you guys these because I guarantee you a lot of you guys are making your stores like this, and you may just have some mistakes. You may not have everything. Now, this store is a little bit worse in my opinion. This is a product that always pops up during this time. It's for Mother's Day. It's just a necklace with a heartwarming message. But again, this product description is really bad. There's no headlines like really popping out, showing me features and like keeping me locked in to want to read this. It's just a bunch of text, a bunch of random images, and then on top of that, they have no reviews. So if you have no reviews, you're basically telling the customer that you're not really a trustworthy brand, and I'm gonna go ahead and find your product somewhere else, which is exactly what you do not want. But what you do want is a store like this. Now, I show this example in a lot of my videos because it's great. It's something you could just go to really quickly if you want some inspiration for your store. So it's called Bleem. They sell this crystallized like hair eraser, whatever it's called. And it's just another way to really shave your body. So they have the Kaching Bundles app here. They have a bunch of their benefits here as well. They lay out everything really nicely. This is a great graphic here. They really just do a good job of explaining exactly what their product is. There's tons of testimonials, comparison charts for other competitors, and on top of that, they have the most important part, which is high quality reviews. So now that you know exactly what you're looking for and how to validate winning products, you know exactly what a high quality website looks like. Now it's time for you to really focus on the main part of your business, and that is your ad creatives. Are your ad creatives, are they engaging? Do they have a good quality hook, which is the first 3 to 4 seconds of your video to really lure in your potential customer? Because the reason why this is so important is because your ad creative is the first thing that a potential customer is going to see before they know anything about your brand, before they go to your website, so on and so forth. So you need to make sure that you set a good tone and you have a good first impression. So that means making sure that your video ad is engaging, that you have a good quality hook, that you get straight to the point and tell the customer why they need to purchase from you, what are the benefits of this product and what it's going to do for me. And then you need to end your video ad with a nice call to action with an irresistible offer. So we're right back on PP ads, okay? And I'm gonna show you 2 examples. The first example is going to be this product right here, which we just looked at, which is the mom's necklace. And this video ad is terrible. But I promise you, people run ads just like this. I promise you someone watching this video has made an ad like this. So I'm gonna play this for you right now, and then I'm gonna show you the complete opposite of an advertisement that's done well. All right, I'm gonna save you the cringe, okay? This video ad is really bad. It's literally just a bunch of images made into a video with just some text on the top. This is not what you want. This is not going to hook an audience, and people are gonna scroll right by, and that's exactly why people aren't coming to your store. So now I'm gonna show you a great advertisement from a company called Hi Smile. They sell teeth whitening products, and their ads are fantastic. So if you ever want some inspiration, you can look them up as a company and see exactly what they're running. So let's go ahead and check this out.
Don't ask me why, but I had to try this purple serum. I don't think it'll actually work, so I'll just put it on my front teeth to compare. Whoa, this is dark. Okay, it's been like 30 seconds. I'll wipe some away to see. Are you joking? Look at the difference. I didn't even know my teeth were that yellow before. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
So as you just saw, that is a great example of a good quality advertisement. And the reason why it worked is because it felt native to the platform. It was a real testimonial. She literally showed you, her using the serum, putting it on her teeth, and showing you the before and after of what her teeth look like. Now, anybody that's gonna wanna whiten their teeth is definitely gonna want this product based off of that video because it just felt real. So that's something to keep in mind for whenever you're deciding to make your video ads for your product. So the last thing that I wanna talk about briefly, and it's probably one of the reasons why you're not getting any sales on your dropshipping business, is that you have no offer, okay? 50% off plus free shipping is not an offer. Well, technically it is, but it's not a good enough offer because every dropshipper does the exact same thing. So you want something like this. This is the Kaching Bundles app. You can find it in the Shopify app store. It allows you to bundle up these products, and depending on how many they buy, they will get a discount. Some other types of offers that you can offer would be, a buy one, get one free, or a buy one, get one for 50% off. Or you can just offer a free gift with every purchase. Now, I'm pretty sure you're probably asking, well, how do I do this without cutting into my margins? You're gonna buy what's called a PLR ebook. PLR stands for private label rights, meaning all you have to do is just buy this ebook one time that's already done for you, has a cover, content, everything. And once you buy it one time, you now have the rights to sell it as many times as you possibly want. So let's just say you were selling a fitness related product. You would come to the plrstore.com. There's a ton of them out there. You can do some research. Type in gym, for example, and click search. And then you're gonna wanna click on PLR ebooks. And now here are some PLRs that you can go ahead and download. So this one right here is already done for you. It looks like fat free forever. I'm not really sure what this one is about. Let's just say that this is the one you wanna offer with every purchase. You're just gonna buy this one time for only 12 bucks. Typically these cost anywhere from like 5 to 15 bucks, but you only have to purchase it once. And once you purchase it, you're gonna come over to Fiverr, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in ebook covers, and then you're gonna click search, And then you're gonna get one of these people to make one for you. They range from anywhere from like $5 to maybe $20. You can get a decent one made for you. I would just brand it around your actual brand, and then you can go ahead and offer it with your main product. So that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and that you learned something and took some value from today's video. If you did, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel. That lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content here on the channel, and it helps get this information out to others who need it. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.